Hello, I welcome you all on board for this online session. I'll be dealing with the subject of automatic control systems. The subject is there in final year, 7th semester for B.Tech mechanical students. I'm your Professor Amin Faruqi from Department of Mechanical Engineering. So I welcome you all for this. So as we all know, the subject is called as automatic control systems. It deals with different kind of systems and how we automate them. Basically, the orientation is from mechanical perspective. So let us see more details about the subject. As we are affiliated to the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, the syllabus structure is that the course code is MED 402, and the teaching scheme weekly is 4 hours. That means you have 1 hour lecture per week, and then it is split into the class test. The class test is for 20 marks, and then we have a university theory examination that is for 3 hours, and the credits allotted for the subject is 4. And then we have a theory examination, that is a university theory examination for 80 marks. Now let us see what all we need to study here. Now let us have a discussion on the syllabus for automatic control systems. Basically, the syllabus is split into six different units depending on different levels, how the subject is classified. Unit number 1 deals with representation of control system components. That is how control system components, whether they are mechanical, electrical, electronics, they are classified and they are represented into different representation forms and how they're interconnected. So that is a basic structure that we're going to study here. Unit number 2 will deal about block diagram algebra. Of course, it is not the conventional algebra that we've studied, but the name that is called as block diagram algebra. Now here we represent different control components as blocks, and then we try to connect. Unit number 3, of course, will be dealing with the hydraulic and the pneumatic systems affiliated with our mechanical systems and how we represent them and how we are incorporating them to use as actuators in our control systems. Unit number 6, of course, will talk about the electrical systems. We are going to see different kind of electrical systems and various electrical modes of control, how we can control the systems. Basically, the control mode starts from this unit. And unit number 5 will talk about different kind of responses. Basically, we classify systems and then we give inputs and we study those outputs. So when we have those outputs, how those outputs are categorized and they are characterized. And finally, the last unit talks about analysis of frequency response. As we've talked about, we are going to study the responses into details, and then we have classified the responses in terms of frequency and how that frequency is going to help, that we are going to see. And then finally, the last part. Yeah. Now, we need to get familiar about the course outcomes. What are the course outcomes? Basically, we have 6 course outcomes. They are usually denoted as CO1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And CO1 talks about mathematical models of system that we are going to see when we talk see control system components. And then CO2 will talk about the use of different controllers in control system. CO3 is demonstrate the working of different components of a control system. CO4 analyzes components with the help of block diagram that we want to see how we are going to create block diagrams and how we are going to analyze it. CO5 will talk about interpret the response of different systems for different test signals that we've seen how they are going to be classified. And finally, CO6 will be the justifying the stability of a system. Stability of a system plays an important role to study whether the system is stable or unstable. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you for bearing with me. Thanks a lot.